Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro. First of all, go into Play Store. Now type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer on both devices. Now open it. Click I accept, choose Confirm, Continue and Allow. You need to go with Send on an Android and Receive on Poco. Then tap on all of these dots, same as click, to send all of your files. But I don't want to do that, so I will only select this one photo. Click Send and then tap Got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input this password or scan QR code. If you want to scan the code, click on the scanning icon on Poco, then choose while using the app and point your device at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred, but if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into, for example, File Manager, click Agree and Continue, choose Allow, and click, in my case, Images. As you can see, my photo is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!